In this video, I'll show you how to use the Liscio and GruntWorx workflow to streamline your tax preparation process. Before we dive in, here's how everything fits together. Clients send documents securely through Liscio. GruntWorx organizes those documents and populates data into your supported tax software. The tax software handles final review and filing. Liscio keeps clients informed with secure messaging, e-signatures, and document storage. It's a smooth, end-to-end process designed to save you time and keep clients happy. First, let's set up your accounts. Start in Liscio by adding your contacts, connecting your email, and sending out organizers. Next, create your GruntWorx account. Export your client list from your tax software, then import it into your GruntWorx dashboard. Add as many users as you would like to your GruntWorx account. Now, we'll connect Liscio and GruntWorx. In GruntWorx, go to Settings, Connect tab. Click Get Liscio API Key, then copy. In Liscio, open Integrations, find GruntWorx, and click Connect. Paste your API key and click Connect again. Now, let's gather documents from your clients. Use Liscio's secure messaging or pre-built templates to request documents from clients. Add due dates and reminders to keep them on track. Once your client uploads their files, select Export to GruntWorx. Go back into your GruntWorx dashboard and go to the Liscio tab to move those files to the appropriate client. You can remove any unneeded files before moving. If the client ID matches an existing client, simply click Move. If not, choose a tab, click Add, and the new client will be created automatically. Go to the tab, and all the documents are now attached to the client. Select your solution and features, then click Submit. Steps may vary depending on your tax software. Once the return is complete, download your files and populate the point sheet. Then upload the files into the Liscio Vault so your client can access, e-sign, and store them securely. And that's it. You're now ready to use Liscio and GruntWorx together for a faster, more efficient tax workflow. If you need help, our support team is always here for you.